Welcome to DSA in Python course. Today we are going to start a whole new series known as problems. And the first part of this series is recursion. In recursion problems, we are going to learn about various problems that may be asked in interviews. So let's begin. Our first problem is sum of digits using recursion. So basically what we have to do is how to find the sum of positive numbers using recursion. Suppose we have a number 532. Now we have to find the sum of its digits, that is 5 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10. Okay, so let's understand the approach of this problem. So in the first video of recursion I mentioned that first we have to find the formula or the logic. So we can create the formula from logic. So the logic is, we have a number like 10, we divide it by 10, so we get answer and a remainder. So here we get answer 1 and remainder 0. When we add 1 plus 0, our output is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Let's take another number. 24 divided by 10, that is 2, and the remainder is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Moving on to the third part, that is 3-digit number. In the 3-digit number, what we have to do is we divide it by 10 and we get a remainder. But in the 2-digit problem, this again results in 2-digit number. So again we have to divide it by 10. So we get the answer 1 and remainder 1. So we have to add the 2. All the single digit numbers, we have to add the 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. Okay. What is the formula? Formula is basically f of x is equals to fn by 10 plus this remainder and the answer we get by this. Okay, so we will apply this on VS Code in Python. So folks, let's start coding the problem. So basically first we have to define the problem, that is sum of digits. This is the function name and we have to pass the number. So we have given a parameter n. Then we have to return the number should be positive integer. So the parameter we are giving into the function. Basically this is the remainder part when we divide it by 10, and we have to also add the answer. So we have to call the recursive function sum of digits and we have to pass and divide it by 10. Okay, let's call it by let's call this function sum of digits with a number 4. When we run this function, it is saying maximum recursion depth exceeded while calling a Python objects. So you remember, it is the program is going into 996 more times. So basically this is infinite loop. We forgot to mention the base condition. So let's understand what is the base condition. So hey folks, base condition is basically if n is equal to 0. If n becomes 0, this is the base condition. So let's code the base condition. So hey folks, we are again into the code window. So let's code the base condition. So base condition says if n is equals to 0, we should return 0. Else we should return the logic part or formula. Okay. Indentation problem is a big problem in Python, so don't worry. So when we run this function, so what is the problem? Oh, we didn't print this function. So basically we have to print this. Okay, the answer is 4. So let's take a 2-digit number 12. Okay, now the answer is 3. No problem. But What if we put -5? Then this is garbage value. So in Python, so in this function, we have to write the hidden test cases, the third step of the writing the recursive function. So let's see what are the hidden cases. So let's deep dive into the hidden test cases analysis. So the first condition should be I have also already mentioned that number should be positive. That is, number should be n should be greater than or equals to 0. It should be greater than 0 and or equal to 0. Okay. The second condition is the number should be integer and not a decimal number like float. The number should be integer. So let's code the hidden cases also. So hey folks, we are again in the coding video and we are going to code the hidden test cases. Okay. So first, instead of using if, elif and else, I'm using assert function. Basically, assert is nothing but the replacement of if condition. We have to write the condition, that is n should be greater than or equals to 0, that is n should be positive number and n should be integer. So integer, n should be integer. Okay, and we have to write the body of the if condition. We have to write the body of in the assert function. In the single quotes, the number should be positive, NUMPER. So let's run the -55 suppose. Unexpected intent, where is showing unexpected intent, line 3. Okay, let's run the function again. It is showing the number should be positive integer. Okay, let's run it for some other like 55. It is again showing error. Okay, we made a mistake here. We should print it in integer only. Okay, the answer is 10. And if we write suppose decimal number, it will show assertion error. And if we suppose like 1 2 2 3, then we will get 8. So this is how the sum of digits function is program is written in Python using recursion.